Want to use Google Maps on your Apple Watch? Here's everything you need to know. First, make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone and that Google Maps is installed on both devices. If you don't see Google Maps on your watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone and install it under Available Apps. Or download it directly from the App Store on your Apple Watch. Once it's installed, open the settings on your iPhone, go to Privacy and Security, Location Services, and make sure Location Services are turned on for Google Maps. This ensures navigation syncs properly between your iPhone and Apple Watch. Now open Google Maps on your Apple Watch and you'll see shortcuts like Home, Work, and your recent places. If you're heading to one of these locations, simply tap it to start navigation. But what if you want to go somewhere completely new? Here's where most people get confused. You can't browse the full map or search for any destination the same way you can on your iPhone. Instead, open Google Maps on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Then start navigation on your iPhone first. Once your route begins, your Apple Watch will instantly sync and show the navigation of the active trip. Now here's the part that catches most users off guard. Google Maps on the Apple Watch doesn't display a live interactive map. Instead, it gives you clear turn-by-turn navigations with the street name, distance to your next turn, your estimated arrival time, and haptic vibrations, so you'll feel a tap on your wrist before you turn without needing to constantly look at the screen. So if you're wondering why you can't see the full Google Map on your Apple Watch, that's completely normal. It's simply a limitation of the app. If seeing the actual map on your wrist is important to you, Apple Maps is currently the better option because it supports a full map view directly on the Apple Watch, along with turn-by-turn navigations. Google Maps on the Apple Watch feels like a handicapped version of the iPhone app. So for the complete map experience on your wrist, Apple Maps is still the better choice.